This is Linda Wilson with the St. Louis MoDOT Minute, May 5th through May 12th. The process to change Interstate 44 back to its original 4 lanes in each direction will take a major step this week. Overnight on Thursday, May 6th, crews will restripe the southbound I-270 ramp to eastbound 44 back to a single-lane ramp. Motorists should watch for signs on I-270 informing them of this change. Weather permitting, starting Friday night, May 7th, crews will black out the current stripes and paint the new stripes to create 4 lanes on eastbound 44. The westbound 44 lanes will be done later this summer. Motorists are advised to avoid Interstate 44 eastbound this weekend since there will be only 2 lanes open and ramps will be closed periodically as crews restripe past the exit and entrance ramps. Work will begin at 7 p.m. Friday and be complete by 5 a.m. Monday. For additional work zone information, go to modot.org, and for real-time traffic information, visit gatewayguide.com. This is Linda Wilson with the St. Louis MoDOT Minute. Tune in every Wednesday for more work zone information.